Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. Also, you will learn some basic commands like extruded boss base, extruded cut, and also the rip command. So first of all, see its drawing. This is its drawing. First of all, we will make the base. See, the outer radius is 34 and the inner radius is 15 millimeter. Note, all the dimensions are in millimeter. Also, from this point to this point, the distance is 108 millimeter and the height of this base is 52 millimeter. So let's start with the base. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part file. OK. Make sure that the unit system is in mmgs system. Now go to front plane, normal, go to sketch and choose here center point straight slot. From the origin, draw a horizontal line and now drag like this. Also draw another center point straight slot from the same points and drag like this. Now go to smart dimension. The outer radius is 34 millimeter and the inner radius is 15 millimeter. And from this point to this point the distance is 108 millimeter. Now go to features, extruded boss base, choose here blind and type 52 millimeter. Click OK. Now we want to make this surface. See, the radius is 25, the diameter of circle is 18 mm and the fillet radius is 15 millimeter, and from the center of the circle to this point is 76 millimeter. So let's draw this part. Go to front plane, sketch and line command and draw lines like this. Now we want a curve, so come back to this point and this will convert into a curve. Again click and now a straight line. Escape. Also draw a circle. Now come back to the previous sketch. Click the I button and this will show. Select this point. Press the control key and select this point and make them vertical. Click OK. Now go to smart dimension. The inner circle has a diameter of 18 mm. The outer radius is 25 mm. And the distance from this center to this point is 76 mm. Now click OK. Hide this sketch. Now select this curve, convert entities, also this line and convert entities. Go to trim entities and trim the extra part like this. See, click OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base and type here 34 mm. Choose blind and click OK. Control 7. See, now we want to fillet this corner, so select this line, go to fillet and type here 15 mm. Click OK. See, now the last part is the rib. So this rib is tangent to the both faces and also has a width of 22 mm. So let's draw this part. Select the back side and sketch. Go to line command and draw lines like this. Escape. Now select this curve, press the control key and this line and make them tangent. Also select this curve and press the control key and this line and make them tangent. Okay. Now select this point and this curve and make them coincident. Same on the other side. Select this point, press the control key and this curve and make them coincident. Click OK. Now control 7. Go to features, rib command. See, it is on the both sides. We want on the inner side, so select this, the last part, and type here 22 mm. Click OK. Control 7. See, our part is complete. Now for the appearance, select the whole part, go to appearances, and I want some peachy color. This is little dark. It is okay. Now click OK. Control 7. So this is our final part. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.